Hello, friends. Good morning. Today is 27th of March 2026. अभी सुबह का 9 बज रहा है, 9 a.m. in the morning. So let me check the global markets. Yesterday, on 26th of March, the market was closed because of Ram Navami. So today, Friday, 27th March 2026, the market is going to open. Now it's 9 o'clock, 9:05 actually. So I'm just checking the international market reports as of now. Dow Jones is up and S&P 500 down and Nasdaq is down. FTSE UK is down. Gift Nifty is also down. Japan is down. Hang Seng is little up. Rest are not that important. So this is the same. So hopefully, uh, the I expect that the market will open little down at 9:15 we can see, or 9:08 we can see how the market behaves. I will be doing Nifty buying if possible. If the market is up, then I will go for C buying, and if the market is down, then I will go for P buying. So most probably market is not going to be uh, sideways. So market will be either up or down, most probably down. So I will be trading in P if I get a good chance. So I have actually explained how I take the trade, the strategy. If you haven't seen the video yet, I will just share the link over here so that you can follow it. As of now, as per the 25th chart, the market is downtrend. Clearly, the red line is on the top of the blue line, so most probably the market will be down only. Okay, 23,150 as of now. Uh, Good chance, then I will also try to trade in Reliance. Okay, so let the market open. Reliance was also downtrend, yes, on 25th. So, but it closed with a crossover 2050 crossover, EMA 2050 crossover on at 3 o'clock on 25th. So, and then it was going down. I'm sorry, it was going up. So the blue lining is up. But let's see what it does today. So I will come back uh, around 9:30 today. So please be there. Another thing I want to share with you that I will be doing the paper trading using the Sensible. I have logged in using the Kite. That means Zerodha account. I am having Zerodha account. So in the Kite, I will do the paper trading. I will, if I buy or sell something, then I will save it into the draft. You will see how I do it. So it's a good way of do paper trading with the live market to test the water, as we all are new. So I'm trying to um, do it in this way so that we do not really face the problem. So it is 9:19 now. You can see that uh, Nifty has opened gap down, and you can see that there is currently I don't see any reason for going for the C trading. We may go for P trading, but let us wait for some more time and let the market settle a little bit. Then we can decide. And for Nifty option chain, it's running at 23,150, and Reliance Reliance also opened gap down. Let me see how Reliance behaves. So I will get back to you after 9:30. Okay, friends, now it is 9:30. The scene is like this. So there is a possibility of going for P buy both in Nifty as well as in Reliance. Reliance and Nifty both are falling vigorously. I should have taken a trade over here because it is getting back to this blue line. So this it was the right place. I should have taken the trade over here, but it was 9:27, so I was waiting till 9:30. So if I had taken, it was in 1400p currently. 1400 is the ATM. 1400p. If we had taken a trade at 1640 maybe, now would have received about 1980. But still, it is against our uh, strategy. So we have to follow our strategy. If we miss certain chances, that is fine. It is equally same with Nifty, so it is coming back. So if a green candle is there on the blue line, then we can get, because the RSI is below 40, also 45. I mean, so let us see. But here it is saying that it is going to be straight line. But let's see. So our strategy is 10 points. I'm sorry, 20 points uh, stop loss and 40 points profit. This is what we are looking for. 20 points target. So 1 is to 2 is the ratio that we are looking for. If we have missed the chance, don't worry, we'll get the chance again. This is Nifty. So it is coming back to the line. If it bounces back, then we will go for it. Reliance, I think, is going up and up. Let it go. So writing a strategy on book or on paper and taking a trade on the chart of previous day is much easier. So when you are on live market, taking right decision at that point of time is the true thing that we have to practice and learn by practicing every day. That is what actually I am doing now. But this candle is very strong candle. Both these candles are very strong. All green big candles are very strong. We'll go for 10 by 20 for Reliance. If we get into Reliance, we will increase the lot size, maybe 5 lots or 10 lots, maybe 10 lots, and in Nifty also we'll go for, if we get a chance, we'll go for 10 lots. Because it is only buying, so buying will not cost us much. Let me check. So if I buy this, so if we take one lot in buying P, then it will take only 15,000, 16,000. So we can easily go for 6 lots. But if we go for Reliance, one lot buy will cost about 1.8 lakhs. Okay, so we'll go for 1 lakh only, one lot only. The Reliance now is at 1380. So let me change this. 2350 is the current thing, so we need to change that also. 23050. CE 23 050 PE. So here we have this has touched the blue line. Now we can take a trade here. So let me check. All this is below 40. Here we can just a green candle we need. Then we can start. 235.10. Let's go for it. So we are buying uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lots is how much? 1 lakh. Done. And we'll make it add to draft. My portfolio. Let me make it new. Today's 27/03/2006 Nifty PE buy. So this is what it is happening now in Nifty. So let us follow the Nifty and let Reliance be where it is now. Wow, Reliance also coming. Reliance also coming, but let me check if it is going down. Here it will go up actually. So in Nifty, it's going down. So let me draw this thing. So our line would be here. Here we have taken now. So to here. So our we have bought it over here. We bought it at what price? We bought it at 250. No, bought it at 260. 260 kappa, and the stop loss is here, and profit is here. So at 288 we will break it. So currently we're having 1696, 311, 311. So selling price. Let us see how it goes. So let it flow. I will get back when something happens. So friends, it is making some profits. So I have changed the target a little bit. I have reduced the stop loss position to the bottom of this red bar. So this is actually 15 points. So I made the target 30 points. Actually 20 points of target is uh, appropriate. But initially I made it like that so that I do not hit the stop loss. Now my new target is 291. Now it is running in 280, and my current profit is about 5850. So that is quite decent as of now. Now let me carry on with this up to this 30 points. Actually 20 points would be the correct thing. So we have reached actually 20 points. We reached 20 points. Now it is going to carry on, I think. It's a very strong bar it is happening. So very strong bar, very little wicks. So hopefully it will reach 291 or 290 rather. You can make it 290 to be precise. 274.50 is the low. Did not break the low. See, the blue line is at 268. Even it reaches 268, I think it is broken. So we should get out. Exit order manually, exit all. So I've taken the exit. I've made 7,000 rupees. That is our 7% return. 7,200 up to in that to 200 would be the 200 would be the brokerage, so 7,000 net profit, and I invested about 1 lakh rupees, so 7% profit in a day. It's very decent. Now, actually, I do not need to take any further. See, I have taken a very right decision to get out at that point of time because it is going back to the this thing. Anyway, when it is over, let us forget it. So, friends, I'm taking another trade of Reliance by maybe one lot only. So I bought it at 1510. You can see 1380 PE. So 1510 I bought. I can make it lower at this level currently. I can have this risk reward of 1 is to 2. 1810 is my expected return. What happened to Reliance? I don't know. If there is any news, let me ask ChatGPT. Reliance Industries. Are there any news? Reliance denies purchase of Iranian original oil. So this might be one reason. Mukesh Ambani denies buying Iranian oil, calls reports baseless. Now it says baseless. So maybe the sentiment is that they have denied to buy Iranian oil. So that may be the reason why the market is down. So let's see what happens. It has gone down to 1610 again. So bought it at 1510. 1510 we have bought. So let it go. The green candles are quite a few. One, two, three, four, five green candles, but not very strong candles. One candle is little strong, otherwise other candles are not very strong. Here is some. So if it can break this, I think this. If it can break this, then it can go up. This is what is that limit? That is 1665. So if it can break 1665, by height is high 1675 is broken. Chalo, chalo. It's broken. That's good for it. This is a strong bar, strong candle. It's happening. No weeks as of now. Little weak on the top. I'm having tea. It's a strong candle. See, if we had sold P at this point, 1398. Now is 10. 3 rupees gain only. Yeah, we could have made 1383 for 14 rupees and 10 rupees. 4 rupees profit we could have made. So 1720 this past. So we are nearing our target. Let's see. Just very strong. But buyers are also strong. Let us touch this. I think it is good to get out at this time. 1730. That's nothing to actually worry about it. No, no reason to worry because there is no resistance it is getting. The resistance is only this one. If it breaks high is 1750, broke to 1790 resist. It's not updating at all. Now one bar close, another bar opened. I don't think we should be here. So Reliance two trades I have taken and both of them I have made profits. So 8,000 rupees approximately. 7,200, 200 is this thing, and 1,100, so 1,000 only, 200 is again for the brokerage. So that's it. So up to now, this much is there. So if I take another trade, because there are three trades maximum I can take as per the strategy. So if I take another trade, then I will again get back to you. Hello friends, it's 12:31 now. The new trend is happening. You can see that in C side that 921 EMA cross, the 9 line for blue color is looking at that it's going to hopefully going to go up. So that way we can say that some can say that we can take a trade in C side also in Nifty. But our strategy says that in the main index Nifty chart, unless this 20 EMA or the blue line is above the red line, we cannot, we should not take a trade. Number one. Number two is that RSI should be above 65, 55. Okay, so unless these two things, these two conditions are met, and here the in C chart, the blue line goes up, and we get a bounce back from the green candle. Till then, we cannot take a chance. Actually, there were quite a few situations before where we could take trades. Hmm. But somehow I was not feeling very comfortable. Like here, we could take take an entry over here. Actually, from here, you can say here we could take an entry around say 225 or so, and say if this time we go for 10 points profit to 236, we could get 236. Again here, if we entered over here at 233, again 10 points 243, we could get. Again here, if we could enter at 236, and we could get 10 by 246 over here. So three times we could get 10 points, and if we're taking seven lots, is approximately 455 units. That means 4,500 into 3, 12,000 rupees we could make. But somehow I was not very comfortable taking any trade today, as I have already got 8,000 rupees, and I'm quite happy with that. But still, these are the trades which could be taken, and if I had taken, then I would have made some good profit. Another 10 drugs, so 8,000 plus 12,000, 20,000 profits I could make. But somehow I was not feeling very comfortable. So you should also be very, you should be able to control your emotions and your um, greed, so to keep on taking trades as many times as possible. So the target for any day's trading is three times. That three times is also if any of the first two times I made a loss, then only I would take the third time. Otherwise, if I make profit two times, then I would like not to take another trade, the third trade. So today in the first two trades I made profit. So that is the one of the main reason why I'm not willing to take any trade today. So I think for today's transaction, today's trade is over as far as I am concerned. So we made a profit of 8,000. Haven't, uh, mm, if you haven't gone through my strategy that I am following, I will share a link over here so you can go through that strategy and follow it blindly. If you follow it, then most of the times, maybe 60-70% times, you may make profit. But still, again, I'm telling you that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so I'm not asking you to take a trade. Take your trade with your own responsibilities. Okay. So see you again on Monday. Uh, Wish you a very happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend with your family and friends. See you on Monday. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.